I need your help this morning because I'm going through something that I think I might need your help or your advice. You could see that I'm with a toothpaste, Pepsodent to be precise, and Kit's brush. Challenge kakra miracle me in there. I have a 5-year-old son, Khaled. I'm sure most of you know him. And he doesn't live with me, but occasionally he visits, or sometimes on weekend, or visits Makakra. Na father and son, I have a time. But there is this particular training Amazon come there. And you bring your kada me pede utritro nursing na anapebia. So he has this habit of regular pasting of teeth. Yeah. Na problem and a challenge American CCI in there. Normally me the pep student and na me the utritro nursing. But problem I'm CCI in there. Few days ago, me quench maybe me girl be ba mention na yalobo task kwalelelen na fan is doma enyama ni mu dry nti na hu be hia de me de lubricant kakra bogu hwe asamo ni mu. I mean, into the wagon I need to lubricant the engine na menya smooth penetration na
all be lie
I was supposed to put away this Fiesta lubricant, which is strawberry scented, very good. And could me putting away mentum man fancy and a small boy be webo lubricant. Now my son is refusing to use the traditional Pepsodent na you using. Also, daddy, I want this one lubricant. He also no pede uditritro nursing. And he's been crying. I don't know how to explain to my son there. He was easy taba. He won't phone to was saying.
All be lie.
And the boy doesn't want to use the Pepsodent. Reason also Pepsodent, and he's been using it for some time now, but he wants to experiment new things. But the months in Africa kraba, makasa mature team. A be experimental.
All be lie.
Lubricant to phone to throw was saying. And I blame Fiesta for every Adam and Penufa at a colors. I'm adding look too colorful. A frabon who lubricant and Adrian no ye paste. And you what did the taba? And what did the quantria? One phone to throw say. Now, how do I explain to my 5-year-old son that a lubricant is not a toothpaste?
All be lie.
He's been crying all day, and I don't know how to explain this to him because mabano so bisa questions too much. Ebaka chene what did the quantria no baka there that I want to eat quantria.
All be lie.
Why do I lead a 5-year-old boy to eat a dry quantria while applying lubricant? This is serious. So guys, I really need your advice. Me here wa adwentre na wa futu.
All be lie.
Fatherhood is not a child play. Me nyim do de oya zanadam. Ebusuya for mesrawa na edi wenyi mara afutu ai mesrawa na please ai. Tempocho e wa futu bia for the comment section mama mesrawa. What from the djpakorich aka all be lie. Mesrawa na ai. Let me my opinion easy. Let me use toothpaste. I mean Pepsodent so papa.
All be lie.
It was for asamatum na tema sembi na boam ai.
The matter job hot.
Assembly Diloto. Hey.
Aye.
All be lie.